A criminally charged judge loses. A big one. This is the case of the backdoor judge, Hannah Dugan, who allowed an illegal alien to exit her back door in her courtroom in the middle of court proceedings when there were victims in the courtroom that defendant allegedly beat. She filed a motion to dismiss her criminal charges. She's being prosecuted in the Eastern District of Wisconsin, and the court just came down with a decision and order, and they are explaining to us what's going to happen next with the backdoor judge. And here's what we've got. They say the court writes, Hannah Dugan, she moves to dismiss the indictment. She was charged with a couple of counts. One, concealing a person from arrest under 18 U.S. Code 1071, and obstruction of a removal proceedings, Section 1505. Now, summarize, the court writes, the government alleges that Doogie, a state court judge, concealed from arrest the apprehension of a person wanted by federal immigration authorities. She was the judge handling the pretrial proceedings in the case. The lower level judge in this case, not Dugan, issued a recommendation that the motion be denied. Okay, so you got magistrate judges, and then this is the actual district court judge. Now, and we read through that one, right? The lower level recommendation. Now this is the official order. So Dugan objects, requiring me, the next level judge, to review the matter de novo, which means I'm going to look at everything fresh. You want to object, you don't like the lower level magistrate judge's ruling, no problem. I'm the real judge, so then I'll take a look at it. Fresh, with a fresh set of eyes. So she does. When considering a motion to dismiss, the court limits its review to the face of the indictment, so whatever the government says, assumes all facts are true in the indictment, and views the facts in a light most favorable to the government, which makes sense. We're going to give the government every benefit of the doubt. And if you still win and there's no case here, then we have to dismiss your case, okay? Because there's nothing they can do. So the parties briefed, and now we're considering a motion to dismiss. So here are the charges. Of course, the first one was she concealed this person, this illegal EFR, so that he wouldn't get caught by ICE, shoved him out the back door, did the same thing here. She also obstructed the proceedings. Remember, she went up to ICE. She confronted them. She says, you need a judicial warrant if you want to arrest him. They said, no, giant judge. No, we don't. Upon learning that they had an administrative warrant, she said, you should leave this area and go to the chief judge's office, if you remember that.